Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a left-handed lady comb. Now already knowing how to do a lady comb would be good, so I'll put a link to that in the description below, so if you want to go back and check out an easier version, then it's going to be easier for you to find. But the left-handed lady comb looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's break it down. It starts off man's left, lady's right. We go semicircle and back. It comes off a return, so we return the lady. We bring the hand forwards, but we don't drop it down and push, so the lady's not going to step back. We've got the hand forwards of the lady, but what we're going to do is we're going to make an archway. So we're trying to make a loop here. So basically, guy's left hand is pointing up to the left, lady's is curved over and down to her left. So what we do is we take the elbow across to the right, guys. So we take a little twist over, that forms the loop, just as if we're going to do a normal left-handed comb to go over the guy, but instead of going over the guy, we take it back over the lady. We pop our hand palm down, fingers in behind the shoulder on our right-hand side, so the lady's left shoulder. Use that to lead a spin and catch, return and back. We'll give you the other angle so you can see it from another view. And we'll talk numbers. So we go semicircle back, 1, return, 2, making the loop ready. We go over the top, 3, spin the lady, 4, catching 5, returning 6, and back 7. So let's try that together. Here we go. 5, 6, left-handed lady comb. We go a back, return, comb, spin, catch, return and back, and that's that. Nice and easy. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the move, so if you like the move, like the video. If you subscribe, that helps promote the channel, so big thank you to everyone who subscribes, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you won't miss anything. In the last few seconds of the video, there are some windows that come up. Some of those will be recommendations by the YouTube algorithm of what you might like to watch because you watch this, but one of them is a music recommendation, and that music recommendation is something nice to practice this move to. So if you're looking for something to dance it to, then you can find that there. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.